Hello everybody. Today is Tuesday, September 8th. It's 4:08 p.m. Eastern Time, and we have another video update for you of the BWT Precision Auto Trader. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, I want to bring over the time and sales. As you can see, the futures markets are almost closed. The regular session close of 4 p.m. for the E-mini S&P, and the E-mini S&P trading at 1964 and a quarter at 4:09 p.m. Okay, it was a pretty good day for the auto trader. A lot of systems didn't trade, and there was several really good performances. This one on the crude oil Super Renko 7-tick hit its profit goal in 2 winning trades, so 2 winners and 0 losers, and it's hit its goal of $1,200. I need to restate the importance of setting daily goals. Want to note the location of the trades. Pretty good entry here. Really didn't take any heat on the entry, if any. At the most, it would have been 5 or 6 ticks at the most. Same with the long here. You can see this was a split fill, and the most heat it took on the trade was probably 5 or 6 ticks, and both the entry and the exit were pretty good. Okay, next up is the Russell on the Super Renko 6-tick, and this is using our line break algorithm to enter the trade. Just want to point this out that we have 2 modules. One is a line break, and one is our regular volatility ATR entry. The red dots here are the line breaks, and you can see we're entering on a limit order with an offset of 4 ticks. So it's got to break the line break and then pull back 4 ticks, which is probably from the close of this bar. And I'm just going to scroll back and look at the trades. Really nice entry right here. Just want to confirm that the close of this bar, remember, to be a confirmed signal on line break, it's got to close below the line break. So the close of this bar was 11:52.20, and the pullback was, it got filled 11:52.6. So this was probably the first entry here. So the line break algorithm is a good way, it'll work on any chart, and it's a good way of avoiding noise like this here. So I've just started to show this. I've only showed it a few times, and well, I haven't plotted it that long, been not running very long on our group of charts, but it appears to be doing well. Okay, next up is a brand new chart that I just started following, and this is a 7,500 tick line break chart, and there was 2 trades. This chart is trading from early in the morning until almost midnight. And so there was 2 trades here with a P&L today of 24.62. This is also buying on a limit order. So that's why you see an entry here. This price actually pulled back here, but on a line break chart, it's not going to show it. So these charts might be a little bit difficult to do any real back testing on, but with a limit order, the thing is if you're wrong and it goes the other way, you're a good part of the distance to being stopped out. So your risk is usually minimized. The pullback in this case is 28 ticks or 7 points, so quite a large pullback. So you may miss some trades, but very often you do get a pullback on line break, but not quite a reversal. So the rules for line break being that it can pull back here, but if it ends up closing lower than the reversal bar here, then a new bar is formed, and apparently there was a pullback and then the bar ended up closing right here. So a new bar is formed every time there is a close less than the previous bar if you're short, and then greater than if you're long. Okay, finally we have the E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 8-tick, and it was active today as there was some churning in the market between 10 o'clock and 1 o'clock, and then finally caught this big move to the upside. And this system is also trading around the clock, so it's currently short here. But so the closed P&L is about $500 or so. We're going to come back to the Super Renko 7-tick chart on the crude oil contract. 2 trades. Trading was over in about 30 minutes today as it hit its daily goal. And that's it for the day. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or shoot us an email at systems@bluewavetrading.com.